Let's see this problem, zigzag conversion. If the string people is hiring is written in zigzag pattern on a given number of rows like this, you may want to display this pattern in a fixed font for better legibility. So this is its fixed pay what pattern. It want to display like this: PA by PALISHIRING. People is hiring. So it can be written like first row PAHN, first PAHN, then APLSIIG, APLSIIG, and then YIR, then YIR. So its number of rows has been given and a string has been given. So we have to print out the output like row wise. So if there are 4 number of rows like this, so PIN. No, if I start like this from first column PALISHIRING. That means in first row, uh, in first column it will start from first row and it will go till last row. Then for next column, second column, then again for next element, next column, and until it reaches on first row, it will repeat only one character. Okay, and if it reach on first row, then it will complete that column like that. So its output is like this: PIN ALSIG by AHR PI. See, okay. One example has been given like this: people is hiring. So this one string has been given now, and number of rows has been given in another int value. So number of rows. So in this number of rows we have to show this string. And how will we show this string? See, if number of rows is 3, so in that case number of rows 1 2 3, PA by P, then again P A L, people H H I R I N G. And if this is 4, 1 2 3 4, P A by P A L I S H is HIRING. Okay, so see what is, and here output is what? First row at first PAHN, and here second row APLSIIG, and third row YIR. So this is its output, and here PIN first row, second row is ALSIG, third row is YAHR, and last row is PI. So what will we do here? Just see, if this is in first starting row, see first row, then it will go till last row like that. If I is 0, this is first row, then it will go to I plus st like this. This is a step, and st will be 1. See, first row, 0th row, first row, second row. And if I equal to num rows minus 1, num rows minus 1, that means last row. Here I will represent from 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2. So in that case st I will take minus 1, and its row will decrease I plus st. This is minus 1, so I minus will be, and this will be here I plus plus. So see here, if it go on third row, then its one row will be decreased to, as it go on first row, in two rows again it will row number decrease. As soon as it go on first row, then st will be 1, and for last row st will be -1. So it will be added, and what I will do, for each row I will make one list and I will add all list like this. Here for first row I will take number of rows times list. Okay, 4 here 4, so I will take 4 list. In first list it will be pin, and second list it will be ALSIG, and third list it will be by AHR, and in last list it will be PI, and finally I will add all the lists. So its final output will be PIN, ALSIG, YAHR, and PI. So this is my final output. Okay, see the code already explained. What I will do here, at first I will find out the length of this string. Okay, and then if num rows equal to 1, if there is only one number of rows, then I have to think nothing. Okay, or num rows is greater than n. It's greater than n means if there are, sorry, if there are 5 character in this string and number of is 6, then all 5 character will be put in a single column. Okay, so there is nothing to do here. N or greater, both. This should be greater than or equal to n. Okay, so in this case I have to just return this string. Okay, see, if there is num rows 1, that means there is only one row. If num rows is greater than or n, that means there is only one column. So same string will be printed out. I will take two variable I and st equal to 0 and 1. I will be 0, st will be 1. So I will define a list of lists. Okay, why list of list? For each row. For each row I will define one list. So like this, rows will be list of list, and how many list? As many number of rows. See, there are 3 rows, so 3 list, and there are 4 number of rows, so 4 list, 1, 2, 3, and 4. For in range num rows. Okay, so as many number of lists it will be defined here. Next I will traverse that character. Its font size is should be a little bit large. Okay, fine. So for char in s, I will append here in rows I. See, I here 0, so first list, this one, rows I dot append char, not cat. Okay, and I is what? It is representing rows number also. See, if rows number is 3, that means I value will be 0, 1 and 2. So if I is starting from 0, then next element will be for second row. See, for I is starting with 0, the next element A in second row, by in third row, P in fourth row. But after this P, if P has reached on the last row, then it's what? It will decrease its row number. Then it will go on third row, second row, then first row, like this. Okay. So what I will do here, if I equal to 0, then my ST will be 1. ST is here a step of increment of the row. Okay. And if I equal to num rows minus 1, then in that case ST will be minus 1. Why? Because if it reach on the last row, then it will decrease its row number. So I will add ST here on each row. So I will be updated with I plus equal to ST. I is representing here row number. And for each row, this will append character here. See, for first row P, for second row A, then for third row Y, then for fourth row P. Then again first row it will come, then it will add I in that list, and then again first row will come, then it will add N. So first list will be pin, second list will be ALS YIG, third list will be by AHR, and last list will be PI. So list is here inside rows. Okay, rows 1, how many lists will be here for this one? Row 0, rows 1, rows 2, rows 3. I have to append all rows. So for I in range num rows, I will join all the lists. See, it will join all the list, but it will be the list only. Rows I equal to, I have to join dot join rows I. Okay, so in each rows, that means each row will be joined here. If row 0 is there, in row 0, I have to join each element in that list, because see, this rows I, this is first list. In first list, all the characters are there, but here are character. Okay, this is list of characters, but what I have to print out? See, I just show here in row 0. If you know list, then you will understand better. What will be row 0 value? Here it will be for 4 number of rows. I saw P, capital P is there, na? Comma I, comma capital N. This will be row 0, but I don't want like this. How do I want? I have to make this one like PIN, pin, like this. So I have to join all the characters. Okay, so for each list it will be joined. So after this, what will happen? I will have one list where all the lists will be appended. So like this, pin, no, it's pin, no? And second list will be AL SIG, and third list will be YAHR, and final list will be PI. Okay, so I have to join this one finally. So finally, inside a string, I will join all this list inside a single list. Dot join all rows. Okay, and then I will return this string. See, after this, what will happen? All will come inside a single list. PIN ALSIG YAHR PI. I want this one only, no? PIN ALSIG YAHR PI. Okay, just run this program. It's fine. Submit. Okay, it's fine. Thank you.